Hello, and thank you for joining me. Today I'm going to cover this home-built tool sign-out program I wrote in Visual Basic with Excel. Alright, let's begin. So first of all, you click the icon. Again, this can work on any type of computer, off of any network, standalone computer. All it needs is Microsoft Windows, Excel. Alright, so now you're in here, and this is the first window that pops up. This is the daily use log. This is where tools that are equipment that is checked out currently will all populate down here, and I'll show you that here in just a moment. But we try to go sign out tools and stuff. There's nothing in here to sign out, so it will not let you sign anything out that is not in the log. And you cannot click anywhere here but the tabs as a general user. You cannot even check out of the box here. Okay? Cannot alter anything, cannot go to different you cannot go to different windows, different worksheets. You can only click all this stuff. So if you're an admin, you can go here, click your admin password, and now you're in the admin menu. Alright, and you can add users, remove users, add tools, remove tools, repair tools, change password, all that. So first of all, and you can click to different windows. How about that? So let's go to names first. Let's add a few names. Alright, so when I put my name in, only the last 5 digits of the number that I hypothetically scanned. I didn't scan it, I don't have one of those, but only the last 5 digits of what I would have scanned. This program is designed to be used with a barcode scanner. Only the last 5 digits are saved. Okay, let's say somebody comes along with my first name and name already in the list, so you need to put a junior, senior, whatever, or just use your middle name. I don't care. And you don't even need to do all numbers. You can do any variation of numbers and letters. It's whatever's on your, say, you can use a library card, driver's license, anything that's got a UPC on it. You can use a Coke can if you want to. Whatever's you're going to keep around with you, I guess. So there we go. Alright, great. Let's add another user. Tries to use the same number. Number already taken. Great. Okay, will not populate. Okay, so then let's say they use a different UPC. Okay, great. Let's say, alright, so now we're going to go remove a couple users. Remove by number. Let's say, how about that? Okay, so remove Karen, W, yes. There we go, removed. Remove another user by name. Okay, let's say John, sure. Yeah, great. Okay, so now that works just perfectly. Now let's go add some tools. Okay. ECN, so it didn't care if the name was still the same. The ECN, the electronic control number, was the same, so that's what mattered. So let's go see where that's populating actually. So this is where it's populating. Alright. Add another one. Okay. Let's add 3 of the same type. Okay, and it actually saves every single digit for the tools. Okay, I don't know. Great. And the last one. Okay, wonderful. So now we have a large list of tools. Let's go remove a couple of them by number. Remove the drill. Yeah, sure. Hey, look, it removed the right drill. Wonderful. So now let's go remove by name. Let's remove the W ladder there. Alright, and it removed the right one. How about that? Alright, so now main menu. So now let's go to sign out a tool. Let's do the actual operation of this thing. And let's see, with that first drill there. Alright, so it shows the drill out in this ESN log here. And I'm going to go to the admin menu to show you where that is on the daily use log here. Alright, here it is. So when it's out, it's here. Okay, so now let's say we're going to sign in tools, or sign out another one, a couple others. Let's say, okay, and then, alright, we got all three of those out. So now, and when you're done, just leave the cell empty and just click done. Alright, and then you can say sign in tools. Alright, say now we have the option to say operational with comment or not operational. Okay, so let's say something is not operational. Okay, do you want to leave a comment about it? Sure, it's broke. Okay, anything else? Let's see here. Oh, operational with, the comment section is blocked out. Ugh, terrible on this one. Alright, so now let's say 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Say this one is operational. Okay, and so this last one, operational with something. There we go. So it's sort of broke. Okay. Alright, wonderful. So now where did all those things go? Right? Where did those things populate at? They populated over here in the log. So the first one I said was broke. It showed up as a big red line across the top here. That red line was not there earlier. Just have to take my word for it, I guess. But when we go into the ESN log here, it also showed up as red as well. Okay, so now I'm going to try something here. We're going to try to sign that tool back out just to see if this really means anything. Okay, does it mean anything that we signed it in as broken? Again, you would scan these numbers in. This is your user number. This is the tool. Tool not available. Okay, let's try to sign a different one out. Oh, hey, look, it lets you sign out another tool. Alright, wonderful. So now we have that, and only an admin can repair that tool or deem that tool repaired. So let's do something else before we do that, though. Let's say we're going to put two of the same type of tool in the broken pile. Not operational. And you don't have to actually put anything here. Alright, you have anything else you want to turn in? This. No? Okay, great. So, let's go see everything that is going on the other windows here. Name, nothing's going on there. Master user list here, nothing's going on there. The log here, so now we have two broken tools, and one of them nobody left a comment about. Great. Now we've got to check and see what's actually wrong with it. And so now everything is turned in, as you can see by this log and this log. Nothing is out currently. Okay, great. So now
we're going to repair those tools. All right, we're going to repair them, say, or deem them repaired. Which one, the top or bottom? Let's say the top one. Okay, and ready for service? Yes. Okay, and guess what? There it is, pulled over to the ready to be checked out list. Okay, great. So now, did that. Let's do the other one now, I guess. Whoa, battery low. Okay, great. So now we want to change the password. Say it's this right now. We want to change it to that. Works perfectly. Let's try to break it. Alright, does not match. Okay, let's say this. Wrong current password. Great. So now let's actually change it back. Again, it can be however long you want it to be. I just choose this just for speed. Alright, and it's back to normal. So then once you're done with everything, you can, let's see. Sure. By name, sure. Nothing there. Okay, let's go here. Let's see that one. Remove it. Yep. Okay. Name, drill, submit. Yes, gone. Okay, it's the right one every time. Alright, so now once you're done with everything, you're ready to close it all out. Well, you can just push close program. Do you want to close? And guess what? It saves automatically every time. Whatever state you currently have it in. Okay, so let's try that out. I guess let's see here. Let's look at this log. Okay, see if it's, so we populated that while I've been doing this program. So let's close the program. Yes, let's X out, open it back up, and see the state of the log. And guess what? It's the state we left it in. Wonderful. Thank you very much, folks. You want to purchase it, hit me up at the comments section, and I'll provide some form of tech support if you need it. You guys stay classy.